Hi everyone, Brandon Strange, Be Strange Realty, also affiliated with ERA Key Realty Services. We're out here in Franklin on Prospect Street again. Showed you on the first video where we were in the construction, and now we've made a little bit of progress on the inside, so I wanted to get you guys in there to take a look at what the progress was that was made. So this, as I mentioned last time, it's going to be a 3-car garage. The doors aren't up, but rear door is in. The windows are all sealed up. This is the 3-car bay garage. And then if you come in here, last time, I think if you recall, this was just studded. So now they finished. They have the drywall in. They have the light fixtures all wired and ready to go. So why don't you come in and we'll show you around a little more again. So here we are. We just came in from the garage. If you recall, this is going to be the mudroom area, and then in the back here, we have a little powder room, which is basically going to be a half bath. And then let me step around, and then this is going to be opening up into the kitchen. Not too much difference here in terms of layout. There's still no cabinets, but as you can see, a little more wiring was done. Some of the ceilings are built out. They have the drywall again. And the stove is now inserted. I can't remember if it was there or not last time. And then if you come through here, this is the front foyer. These are the stairs leading down to the basement. Again, last time I think it was just studs. So this is nice to see kind of how it's progressed over the past week and a half or so. We have the front, I believe this is going to be office space. And then over here, you have the front entryway here. And then this is the dining room, of course, since it's off the kitchen. Here we are at the top of the stairs. This is kind of about 8 stairs going up, and then you have the landing and a couple more up to the second floor. This here is basically bedroom 3. Not much to see here other than the fact that it is all studded out. It's got plastered in, and the light fixtures are in. It looks like the ductwork is in for the heating and AC. If you follow me this way, we have the 4th bedroom. Similar to the 3rd, looks like they actually have it wired for the cable and internet, for the TV as well. And again, light fixtures and ductwork is in. Then right here, this is going to be just a laundry room, so you can have your washer and dryer in there. It looks like a vanity sink, I believe. Now I'm standing here in the 2nd bath. We have the half bath on the 1st floor / powder room. This is going to be a dual vanity sink here. This here is going to be the shower stall. I believe, actually it might be a closet. Nah, my apologies, it's actually going to be a closet. And then a tub shower combination here. Now if you just come over here real quick, I'll show you the 2nd bedroom. I know we're doing this in reverse, but I saved the best for last, which is the master. As you can see, most of the bedrooms are similar size and similar layout. Actually, this one looks a little further on. It looks like they actually did the first coat of paint, a base coat. As you saw, the other walls were gray, but this clearly has been sealed off and ready to be painted. So, all right, now I'm going to show you the master bedroom. We just came out of the bedroom 2. The actual master suite is going to start here. This is where there's going to be the privacy door. This is going to be the master bath. Dual sanity sinks over here. Looks like I think this is going to be like a big soaking tub, or at least it's going to be a tub. I don't know if it's going to be soaking or not. And then you have the shower, stand-up shower there, and then an also private area for the commode in that back corner. Now, if you follow me, small linen closet here, and then these are the his and hers baths. His and hers closets. Not much to see in there, but as I said, these are all looking quite promising in terms of the progress they've made. And then if you follow me, this is the large master bedroom. So as you can see, all of these kind of eaves are going to be for extra storage. And then you have the nice recessed lighting, and you can look out the backyard over the nice woods there, so it's fairly private as well. Okay, so that pretty much concludes the tour of Lot 4, Prospect Street in Franklin. As I mentioned, there's a couple of lots that are available just for you to purchase the lot and have your own developer and architect come in and build out your own home, customized to you. That's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, you can hit me up, bstrange@erakey.net. You can also find more information on my website, bstrangerealty.com. And as always, feel free to, or please do, like, share, follow, all those wonderful things, and we'll see you next time.